Hello everyone. So let's take a look at how we can construct node graphs and execute them in my prototype app. So I'm going to dock the execution log at the bottom. Okay, so in this demo we are going to accept user input using this node. Okay, once we have the user input, we are going to loop through each of the items. Okay, and then we are going to print each item as long as items are available, and once processing is done, we are going to print a message called done. Processing is done. Okay, so we start the execution, we accept the input. Let's give a prompt: enter comma list of fruits. Okay, once we have the comma separated list, we need to split the list. Okay, and then we pass that to the for loop. Now inside the for loop, we are going to print the index and the name of the item. For that we need the concat strings node, and we are going to pass the index over here and the item at the bottom, and there you go. So that will be the message. Okay, you can also use frames to group things together. So I can easily move things around. Cool. I think I accidentally disconnected this. All right, so let's run this and see what's up. And as you can see, we have code being generated here, but let's run. Apple, banana, cherry, durian. Okay, there you go. 0 apple, 1 banana, 2 cherry, and 3 durian. Remember, in programming, indexing starts at 0, so that's why you see it here. I'm gonna try it again, and this time we'll use the step-by-step mode. Okay, in step-by-step mode, we need to explicitly click the next step: apple, banana, cherry. Okay, so that's our input on the next step. So this is a nice way to learn programming. Apple, banana, cherry, durian. Cool. So that's my prototype custom node engine app. Hope you like it. Please leave a comment if you're interested in getting access to this. Thank you.